You can add as many files as you like to your games folder. Best practice is to add files with related code, like loading code, input handling, collision handling, characters AI, different game states, like game start, game over, etc. In this demo, we add two files in addition to the default main file. One is for loading our game's models and skybox, and the other is for input handling. After adding a file, you need to also add reference to it in the main file. This way we keep our main file short and clear and spread the game's logic in many smaller files.